Okay guys, nandito nga pala tayo sa labas ng Pasong Tamo. Mamaya mag-check-in kami ng itong jowa ko. Mga 3 hours lang, pwede na yan. Ito pala yung bagong bukas na food deck. It's called Kabuki Food Deck. Dito sa labas ng MCS, Makati Central Square. Let's check it out. Like it, but we have to drink it because we already paid for it.
Lasang tsaka.
How about that one?
Black tea ng kapal.
So this is soju matcha chuhai. The other one is,
Black oolong.
I was expecting something a little sweeter.
Matcha is not sweet.
Matcha is sweet.
No, it's not.
Okay, fine. It's not.